Ajay Agarawal, and he's MD of Treo TATA Showroom. He joins in from Delhi. Ajay, good having you. Thanks for joining in. We understand, as per the data that came out, that until the end of Pitru Paksh, the numbers looked very, very wobbly for four-wheelers. Maybe you differ if you will, because love to know. But we'd love to know, how has the festive season start, or how has the Dussehra or the Dussehra period beginning been for car sales?
Thank you, guys. Thank you for having me here. Before Navratri began, Pitru Paksh was a little stressful for our dealers. We had an all-time inventory with us. But once the Navratris began on 3rd of October, things have been pretty good. The walk-ins improved decently. We have around 2x walk-in compared to same period last month. The bookings improved. The bookings are also, we have a healthy pipeline of bookings. Compared to last year also, we have around 8 to 10% growth in bookings. And as of now, the deliveries has been good. In Delhi NCR, where I operate, we are already close to the Vahan numbers of last month. So I'm very hopeful that by the end of the Dhanteras, when we exit this month, we correct our stock. Customer pipeline is very, very decent. And on top of it, the best thing that is helping us do the volumes is the great offers by all the OEMs. The prices, the offers on these cars are all-time best. In last 1 year, if you see the models that we sell, the transaction price is one of the best that we can offer to our customers.
Ajay, do you feel like a lot of the push or the sale numbers that you've been able to record or anticipating this festive season is on back of better pricing and better offers, or is this irrespective?
That is true. Yes, back of offers and the current schemes offered by all the OEMs is helping drive the sales. And but we see in last 2 months the sales were drastically low. We had degrown last month. The passenger vehicle sales was almost 18 to 20% down compared to previous months. So there was a pent-up demand. The customer was waiting since there was so much of news in the market about high inventory levels. And the OEMs offering consumer offers, very, very heavy consumer offers. So customers were waiting also. And now, since the offers are also very high, there is no reason for the consumers to wait. They are going ahead and making the purchases.
Mr. Agarwal, are you seeing any kind of a trend switch, or is the focus still on your mid-size sedan, your premium? Are you seeing any premiumization switch in terms of trends and preferences?
Yes, it has changed. The ticket size is improved. Last 2 years, if you see, the ticket size used to be around 6.5 lakhs. Now the ticket size is around 8.5, 9 lakh rupees. So one, the ticket size has moved. Two, the majority of the cars that we sell today are the SUV, whether it's a compact SUV, micro SUV, premium SUV, C-segment SUV. The sedan and the hatchbacks are definitely going back, is taking a backside. But the major growth is coming from the SUVs and primarily the new launches also.
So, Ajay, my final question to you really, it is good to know that the Vahan registration numbers for first 9 days are equal to last month's. The question
Almost
is,
equal.
Sorry?
Almost equal to.
Almost equal, yeah, let's put it there. Hopefully by tomorrow, it will surpass that. My question is, do you see this sustaining for the rest of the month, because we are entering the Diwali period, and therefore, will October be an unnaturally strong month, or will it be seasonal in nature and could dip post-Diwali?
Normally what we have seen in primarily again in North India, whatever we do in these 9 days or 10 days of Dussehra and Navratri, we do almost 2.5 times by Dhanteras. So if you see, the month will be almost 1.72x of the normal months, like for example, I call July, August, September average. So this month will be 1.72 times of the normal months. So October should be very, very good for all the auto dealers.
Just one last point, Mr. Agarwal. What are the inventory levels looking like? Because that seems to be a concern across the industry and for dealers as well. Are you seeing a pile-up of inventory levels?
See, inventory levels are definitely high, but most of the OEMs have come back to the dealers and given the rational targets for October, whereas the liquidation will be much higher compared to the offtake that we plan for this month. So I see a correction ballpark 20-25% correction in the inventory levels at the dealer point.